beautiful waterfall Laxapana. We are at the bottom of it. This is about, I think, more than 200 meters in height. This falls from a very huge, very high rock. See, the rock is very high and a very big rock. And everywhere you get a big thick jungle and rocks. We have to walk about about 1 kilometer inside the jungle to reach here down, bottom at the bottom of the falls. This is the surrounding jungle. That is there. Gaia is there, and our crowd is there. Ajit is taking the few pictures. You get the jungle everywhere. This is surrounded by thick jungle. There are two sisters, Darshi and Gaya. This is how the falls down. The river falls downstream. Once again the falls, Laxapana. Beautiful area. There are some ropes they have put it from the top of the falls. There they wanted to get down from the falls, or maybe that they want to climb to the top of the falls. There are some boys here with helmets and all, so they may be doing something like that.